Hello, good morning to everyone. Yes, guys, tomorrow our trip travel going to Cebu and going to supposed to be going also connecting flight in Camarines in Bicol parts of Luzon. So because of the typhoon more coming, before is already done, the passing by the Christine, another side for Christine. There's a Leon. There was a, what is M? I forget the M. Yeah, there is a name of typhoon in Luzon's coming is aside for Christine is done already, and then Leon and the Marcy, I think Marcy, then the Open and Pipito. That's what the two coming is, Open and Pipito. So that's why Walter changed our flight, our travel. Instead, we go Cebu connecting to Luzon. Our plan is Bicol, Camarines. We want to look the places of Albay like this, but he canceled our travel destinations because of this more coming typhoon. So we scared to go. So our plan is changed. So instead of there in Luzon, so we just go Cebu, just vacation for Cebu. Then after a weeks, or I don't know how many weeks we are there, maybe 2 weeks or 1 week, before we go to Davao, so Mindanao. That's what our planning is. Go to Davao or Mindanao instead of Visayas, Luzon, and Mindanao. Our planning, but we changed it. So now is direct to the Mindanao. So we go to the Mindanao. After this Cebu, we go to the Mindanao, Davao. So there we're gonna be land road trip for bus road trip, going to my city town for going home for Christmas. So we stay there for Cagayan de Oro, my city town, because we have our own condo, so we don't worry about for where we stay, the place. So we have our own. So we stay there for Christmas until New Year's, and maybe we're back to the Dumaguete by next year's. We don't know what is the day, but we just that's what our plan, because we have a business to do in Cagayan de Oro City for our condo. So that's it. And yeah, tomorrow is our flight is 1:35. So we let them, somebody, our Suki, pick up us is Chito, Bao Riders. He is on operating Bao. So that's what tomorrow our flight in the afternoon. So yeah, we're gonna be messages for couple of months. Yeah, maybe, yeah, 2 months, maybe 1 month and a weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna miss it because I will not be spend my Christmas here in this city of Dumaguete Island, because I don't have a family here, guys. So, and I'm not enjoying here for Christmas. We're just two, and then I have no family, so it's our Christmas here in Philippines is very enjoyable. It's really have a happy Christmas. That's why we enjoy our Christmas. So not two of us. So I'm not happy with that two of us. I'm already spent in America where two of us only spend our Christmas. So there I have my family, my kids, my children. To my late husband, I have 3 children to my late husband. So we're gonna go there, go back, enjoy our Christmas and New Year's, and same for my additional years for getting a senior. So I getting be a senior for next year. So yeah, that's what our plan, Walters, and we're gonna be trip here. Supposed to be we here. This our plan supposed to be Cebu, fly to Cebu here, and then travel back here from here. Just here, from going here, that's going to Mindanao. That's it. It's gonna be supposed to be our plan here until we reach to Cagayan de Oro City. Where's my city here? Because we want to go to Malaybalay, Tobato. Oh gosh. Oh, here. Here, my Cagayan de Oro is here. So we're gonna go to Cagayan de Oro. So we travel here, just here, from here for land trip. So we're going here, Malaybalay. So this will be our destination. We just look this place to check what is if this is good, because weather here is very good. It's like Baguio City. So we're gonna go here. We're just planning. Maybe we will be, if we like here, so Walter like here, maybe we will stay here so that I'm close to the Cagayan de Oro City. Every time I will not travel all the time, just only by road using our car, because it's hard here from Dumaguete. You take Dumaguete from here, you go boat, you trip you transport your vehicles from sea, so it's very expensive to do it every if there is you wanted to go. So here is only close. Here very close only from me and Malaybalay. So it's not totally close, but at least you don't go by ocean, sea trip going to Dumaguete. Here Tagbilaran like this. from Bohol like this. So here, because this place in Mindanao is like a Baguio City. This is less only populations and not crowded. It's very good because we can right away back to Cagayan because we have our own condo. I have my own house there also from Binaoro. Here we have our own condo in Kauswagan, so it's not hard for us. We don't rent anymore a house. Here we try to rent. How much is the rent here? We try it. How much it is. So probably we're planning to move. That's it. So yeah, that is our morning today. I'm gonna miss this for not spending here in Dumaguete. I'm already almost 2 years. We're almost 2 years here in Dumaguete, but I don't like to spend my Christmas here. I have no family. I'm so sorry, guys. Totally, I'm not belong here. I not belong here. This is not my mother. This is not my mother town. So I'm so sorry. I can't enjoy here because I love my city towns where I belong. So that's it. That's my reasons. Oh, my husband is okay because he's not born here. He's not born in the Philippines. So me, I'm looking my city town. Yeah, where I belong. That's it, my reasons, guys. So I'm gonna check up my phone, guys. I'm gonna check up my outside of I'm gonna check up my place here, just to check up my backyard, my garden. I love every day here to check my garden place. So I enjoy here. I could see the green. Yeah, my garden, how it looks already like this. Look at I just plant this. It's grow now. That's very good. I hope that's not weeds. This one, guys, I don't know it's a weeds or not, but I know this is a lettuce. Some of them is not yet. I'm checking it every day. This is look at my potatoes. This is more. How much the other one? Oh wow. I don't know what's the other one. Is this? So I'm just only looking for it. So I just plant more here. It's not yet, cannot seen yet here because just a new I planted. And this is my carrots. So look at, so wow, I want, it's healthy, my carrots. Sometimes I'm angry with the frogs. They come and they will destroy my plant. Wow, look at my okra. And this will be a I think this English is lady fingers. Yeah, lady fingers. The okra. Here is okra. We call okra. Yeah, my kangkong, my green tops. I don't know what's happened. I'm not yet. I'm just waiting. If maybe I'm going to search it. What's going on with this? I'm happy with my broccoli. This is weeds. I'm happy with my broccoli. So at least there is a 4. Getting healthy. My 4. Okay. So at least I have another more. So 6. At least I have hoping for 6 broccoli, because we love to eat broccoli, Walter mostly, and this lettuce is, we need to more of this, because Walter always doing a burger salads and not salad totally. We love to find this in burgers, lunch meat. He loves to have a dinner lunch meat, sandwiches like this. If he wanted, what's happened with my Angie? Look at my not healthy. My squash, I already trimmed it to come healthy, and my squash, cucumber, hopefully they will grow. Tomato, I don't know what's happening. My chili, Allah, what's happened to my cherry? Wow, died. Go, shit. I'm gonna plant my cherry, guys. Okay. This is chili pepper, spicy, Filipino spicy, small chili pepper. This one is sweet pepper. This is achal. We call that in Philippines achal. Hopefully they will grow healthy. She have flowers already. If there is a flower, so they're gonna bury a cherry. We call sili in Philippines. So look at how healthy my garlic. So fast. I don't know, they will be wild there. I know supposed to be only one I put here, but I think I'm gonna be transfer it to another bottle, because they will be fighting with the roots. So I will plan to transfer it the rest. I have no more. I cannot plant it because I don't have a soil. So I try them to order. They cannot provide me. The delivery they have doesn't deliver them. So I'll check. There is something wrong with this. Oh gosh, there's something wrong. So I'm gonna make it free. I will not tie it. Okay guys, this is my update. Thank you for viewing it. So tomorrow, so our flight tomorrow, so I cannot check anymore my garden. I have my housemaid, so she will stay here and take care of my plants. So we just let her to stay here for taking care of the house and the plants that I have it here in this house. So yeah, also we give already a Christmas bonus to her and his salary, so she get already 12,000 for included our Christmas bonus for her. And yeah, then Walter wants to give her a full amount of until December, but I told her no, don't, so that she have a money for December. At least she have it expecting a money, even it is a half or a full. At least I can send her amount for Christmas, because you know Filipino is, if they have a money holding it's like a millionaires. They don't think tomorrow. They just like to enjoy and spend it. They don't think. That's what Filipino are instinct, that they don't care. As long we can, because we are not a picky person, so we can eat what we want to eat. We don't picky persons to, even we eat a rice only and just soy sauce. Filipino, that's already, it's like vinegars and mix it and oil. Oh my gosh, it look like adobo for us. That's what a Filipino it is. So we still living good for us. As long you have rice, that's important. That's what important, guys, because our life here, we know we could also salt put in the rice. Filipino will still alive. Okay, so that's that. Our day today, my day. Happy Christmas for the Magetanian. So Merry Christmas to all, and bye for this, for a while, this city. And thank you guys for viewing my YouTube channel, Mel Waltz Expat. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful, nice Christmas. I hope bright Christmas. Yeah, that's what the best for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.